as my learned friend puts it, they are excusing themselves from the proceedings. They are in fact acting, well, not they, the applicant would be acting in defiance of the summons and unlawfully.
Well, let's take a tea adjournment, and then we'll resume after 15 minutes.
Thank you, Chair.
We adjourn. He has left today without asking me to be excused. On Thursday morning, Mr. Zuma appeared before the Commission. I delivered my ruling on his application for my recusal and dismissed his application after concluding that it had no merit whatsoever. The decision by Mr. Zuma to leave the Commission without obtaining permission and in the face of a valid and binding summons is a serious matter. I have decided to request the Secretary of the Commission to lay a criminal complaint with the South African Police against Mr. Zuma.
When were you married?
I don't remember.
You don't remember when you were married? Right. So you don't celebrate an anniversary every year?
I don't what?
You don't celebrate an anniversary every year?
Well, okay, I'm an African councillor. I don't do these things of anniversary and then I don't know. I don't do it.
You don't mean that you don't know what job your wife does at Swissport? What position?
Not at Swissport, at JM.
At JM, I'm sorry.
Yes.
At JM. You don't mean that you don't know what position she holds, do you?
I mean it, Chair.
You don't know?
I don't know.
What job she does?
I don't know.
Is there a reason why you did not grace us with your physical presence today?
On medical advice.
Medical advice. You denied meeting the Guptas. I agree, you can't remember the exact formulation, but when you answered the DA, you denied, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. And then after, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Carry on.
Carry on, Mr.
Do you want to clarify that yes?
I said, Chairperson, I said yes, and I said that is on the record.
Yes.
And as I said previously, I had no recollection of anybody from the Gupta family being present when I met Mr. Ambani during that time. My chief of staff, when I was formulating, former chief of staff, when I was formulating the statement for the November presentation to you, 2018, he reminded me of this, and I disclosed it to you.
Yes.
If I wanted to hide it, I could have hidden it, but I disclosed it voluntarily.
You see,
Thank you.
see, Chairperson, really, I
Yes.
ask the Chairperson to please control this witness.
Yes.
Because if he's going to give unnecessary verbiage
Yes.
on top of the answer, then I'm going to be forced to
Next
interrupt.
question, Mr. Mbofu, so we can break for lunch.
Yes.
Chairperson,
Yes.
I do require some guidance from you.
Yeah.
If you could reflect on this, please. When I am answering a question,
Yeah, no.
to be given the opportunity
No.
to answer, not be interrupted.
When he answers,
Yeah,
let him finish, and when you ask questions, he will also let you.
Yeah, he must also let me finish.
Yeah.
this tender was irregular for the reason that I am saying. Why would, in fact, when I make this example of this LSG Sky Chefs, is if my daughter is selling fat cakes here at home, why would I go and buy fat cakes next door? And then if I decide to go and buy fat cakes next door as a parent, am I not supposed to tell the child that I don't like your fat cakes, this is how you should do the fat cakes? Then please correct here and there and so on. So the reason why I'm saying it was irregular is because that tender should not even have happened.
Why do you get yourself involved in operational matters as board members?
Chair, the operational people are guided by the board. They are given the support by the board and they are directed by the board. And therefore, I don't see anything wrong with that. And we have, in
Are
fact,
you
been
saying,
doing
Ms.
that.
Kwinana, there is nothing wrong in board members getting involved in meetings where management and executives discuss operational matters? Is that what you are telling me?
We do go, Chair, by invitation. We really do go.
You say
by
it is in
invitation.
order for a board member to do that?
It is in order, Chair.
Sure. Yeah. I'm going to adjourn now to consider what should be done about what you have just done.
Well, Chair, it is not intended to break any orders. I did not intend to say anything untoward or making your order not to be valid or disrespecting you, Chairperson. My apologies. But Chair, I am saying this.
Yes, no. We are going to have to adjourn for...
Not out of disrespect. Thank you, Chair.
Yeah, when we come back, I'll hear what you have to say. I've got to reflect on what you have just done. What you did is really something that it seems to me would discourage other witnesses who want to give evidence before the commission anonymously when they fear for their safety or their lives.